Hi, this is a program to implement stack using linked list. So first write down preprocessor directives as include stdio.h, conio.h and mlog.h and create a struct stack int data and struct stack star next. So one integer and one pointer. So one node is here, one is data and one part is next. Next is pointing to another node. The first one struct stack star top is equal to null. So top is a pointer that is pointing to the top of the stack. So we assigned top is equal to null. What is the meaning? The stack is empty. Then we created functions push, pop and display. So three functions are there, one more peek. So four functions are there. What are they? Push, pop, display and peek. Struct stack star push, it is passing a struct pointer and an integer value. So through this way we will be inserting a value. Pop means we will passing only that pointer. Display passing that pointer. When you compare this same program with arrays, what is the difference? Instead of these pointers, but we passed the arrays. That's it. The last one is int peek struct stack pointer. So we declared the four functions. And the next, from here the main starts. The main is returning a value, that's why I wrote integer, and two variables value and options. Write down do while loop. In the do while loop we wrote switch. Write down the main menu, push, pop, peek, display, exit, enter your option, reading that value to option. As per the option, the rest of the things are executing. This is switch. If the switch option is 1 means enter the value to be inserted, read the value to the variable value and call the function. Top is equal to push top value. Okay. Then the control goes to push definition and this is inserting a value to the top of the stacks and it's come back here. That is assigning to the top and break. It's over. The same way pop, break and peak, the value will be coming to which variable? Okay, the value is coming to which variable? Value. If the value is not equal to -1, then it prints the value at the top is this one. Else part the stack is empty. The case 4 is display the stack and the default is invalid choice, ending the while and get ch. Here the main is closing and the rest part is definition part. Definition part. The first one is push. Struct stack push. Top is coming here, value is coming. We will be creating a pointer ptr and ptr is equal to ptr means previously we created what? New node. New node is equal to struct stack mlog size of struct. We will be creating a node here and its name is here ptr. PTR of data is equal to value. Top is equal to null means PTR of next is equal to null. Top is PTR. What is that meaning? We created a new node and its value we assigned it is 10. And if top is null means there is no element in the stack. So what is top? PTR is top. So top is equal to PTR assigned. Its next part is null by using linked list. Then else part means ptr of next is equal to top is equal to ptr and return top. So this is this ptr of next means we created a new node, give a value. Already we have a value that is 5. Okay, this is already existing value in the linked list. When you will be adding a new value, what you are doing? This is PTR. We will be connecting PTR of next is equal to top because this is the present top, only one element in the array. So PTR of next is equal to top and change the top to PTR. Now top is pointing to PTR. So what is the meaning? 10 is the topmost element in the stack. And display PTR is equal to top. If top null means it is empty. Otherwise, while PTR not equal to null, printing the value PTR of data and it's moving, PTR is equal to PTR of next and return top. And what is mean by pop? Pop means variable PTR is equal to top. If it is null, it is underflow. Otherwise, top is equal to top of next. Imagine there are two values in the stack that is represented by this way and top is pointing to here. If I am drawing in array, it is like this: 1, 2, first 2 and 1. Top is pointing to 1. This is the present stage of linked list. When you are going to pop an element, what will happen? Top is equal to top of next. Top is presently pointing here. You have to point top of next from here to here. And free PTR. After that, this is making free. In the case of array, top is equal to top of next. This is array means top is equal to top minus 1. It will point here. Okay, in the case of array. And this is in the case of linked list. Then the value being deleted is PTR of data, free PTR. The last one is peak. If top is equal to null, return minus 1, else return top of data. So these are the function definitions and the program over.